Welcome back to Let's Talk Development Football, where future stars and leaders of the game connect. Whether you're a player, a coach, or a club owner, we are coming to you to talk all things development football. Today, we have another exciting episode of Talking Development Football, joined by Umfundo Mjokolo Owasepimvili. Mfundo, please introduce yourself to our viewers, sir. Mfundo Mjokolo, 21 years old, a well-respected player around Gauteng. He played for Prestige. He played for ABC Motsepelik Highlands Park team. The last season, Simi Highlands Park, which dominated ABC Motsepelik Gauteng. He played for Skepen Ketule in one of the Kasi tournaments. Mjokolo, please tell us more about your journey. When did your journey start as a player?
Journey yami iqale khona la eNike ngakabi artificial sasebho. Coach AC ngidlalela iBlack Stars ezintwana encane. Introduce ngina 15 years old first team. La discover la ngithatha exposure.
Mjokolo played some of the big tournaments around the Gauteng, especially Discovery, where its talent is being discovered kuleyo tournament. Mjokolo, can you tell us more about team oyidlalelayo manje? Which league are you playing in?
Apparently ngidlalela iBlack Poison idlala ku-SAB. Bayibiza ngani
Castle League.
Yeah, standard setting is very high. La like kumele ube comfortable, ube confidence uzudlalela team le. Ungana confidence angeke lo.
Black Poison produced so many players abadlala ku-PSL abanye babo. Njobe esho Mjokolo, when you are playing for this team, you need to have confidence. Mfundo Mjokolo, development yakho as a player, you started with Prestige. I know you go Prestige, you started with Prestige. I know you go Prestige with GDL, where you tormented every defender with GDL, from Kaizer Chiefs, Mamelodi Sundowns, Highlands Park. You tormented every defender in the league. Mjokolo, tell me more about exposure yakho ku GDL. GDL ikufundiseni wena as a player?
GDL ngifundise okuningi kakhulu futhi from Stream P la besifuna khona kakhulu. Ngoba besifuna ukuzibona nasesilana nabo Chiefs nabo Sundowns ukuze bazokwazi ukusibona. And i-dream ethu sonke vele sisazo Stream P besifuna i-Chiefs. Sayithola i-Chiefs and sayidla nokuyidla. Thina as ama-players aba proud of ourselves ngoba i-goal besifuna si-achievile ekugcineni.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Mjokolo, igole benifuna ni-achievile ekugcineni. Umfundo Mjokolo babukeli is an exciting player. Kade edlala nje kwi-Kasi Champ of Champs, edlala ku-Skepen Ketule. He scored the first goal of the tournament ye-Skepen Ketule. I was watching him at home. Mjokolo, can you tell me more about the development in South Africa? In South Africa as a country, are we doing justice to the development of players in South Africa yonke?
Nah, senze justice ngamampela. As like ama-player amancane bayidinga i-development. Don't ukuthi bavele baphume ekolweni bangazi ukuthi bayenzeni ngoba bazogcina bazithola estradini. So abazali at least banganceda ama-player babatholele ama-development ukuthi abantwana bakwazi ukuveza isasa labo.
Njobe seshilo bazali, let us assist abantwana bethu ukuze bakwazi ukuveza ikhono labo ngoba i-development yomntwana we want it holistically, hayi academically kuphela, but the child must be developed holistically. Mjokolo, sesizoqeda nje mfethu, awungitshele ukudlala obhuqwini kulama tournament wasobhuqwini Skepen Ketule, one of the exciting teams kuma tournament wasobhuqwini, kukusiza kanjani wena as a player or i-development yakho as a player?
Exposure, ngithole exposure, bayangirecognize everywhere. Angifuna i-team ngayithola kalula ngoba ngidlalela umuntu ophezulu, i-team ephezulu eKasi bonke ama-team angaziyo.
Okay, Mjokolo, siyabonga kakhulu. Mjokolo, la uhamba khona eSoweto, eGauteng, you have supporters. Intwana ezincane namanje kade ngibona ni trainer. One of the child there was calling number 10. Ethi yamba number 10, number 10. I know most kids, they know you. What can you say to them abathanda ibhola ukuthi yini kumele bayenze? What advice can you give them ukuze bafike kule level wena osofike kuyona?
Into engabatshela yona ukuthi babe disciplined, hard work pays. Bangaziruphi, bangashilo ukuthi bazi kangcono impilo yasestradini bona nje into bela yenze ukuthi bale focus ebholweni, into abayithandayo izoba isafere.
Bazali, sitshela abantwana emakhaya ukuthi kumele bathande ibhola, hard work, dedication ne-discipline ebholeni kubalulekile kakhulu ngoba ithalent elilodwa alimphumelelisa umuntu. Mjokolo, siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ube nathi kwishow yethu Let's Talk Development Football. I hope I wish you get ama-contracts wherever you want. I know you trialed with the DDC Pirates, you played good DDC, ABC Motsepelik, Northwest, and you played go Highlands Park. I wish you all the best. Whatever you wish for yourself, I wish you Let's Talk Development Football. Loves you, Mjokolo.
Sport.
Thank you. To follow us, like our videos, subscribe on YouTube, and press the reminder button. Also follow us on all social media platforms. We are Let's Talk Development Football. We are still going to give you more exciting episodes with coaches, players, and club owners who made it possible for our youngsters.
Ciao.